Hey, my boy from Next Gen is in his bag, bro. I make sure to give him a follow on Instagram. They got these new masters right here. I'm about to knock me off a pair. They got a lot of stuff, man. Y'all make sure to follow them on Instagram. What's the Instagram one more time? Alright, y'all give them a follow. I'm gonna make sure to put their info in the bio or in the description. Y'all check that out. So we just knocked these off. I'm gonna put them in charge. We're gonna use them later on, and I'll let y'all know what I think. Let's go. All right, guys, check it out. So like I was saying, I just got this right now. Like, well, I ain't gonna lie, it was about an hour ago now. I haven't unboxed it yet. I haven't even opened it. I ain't even put it in charge yet. I've just been busy chopping, but I'm finna open it for y'all on camera. We're gonna do an unboxing. Then I'm gonna put it in charge, and hopefully I get to use it today. You know, I want to make sure it's fully charged before I actually use it. And if I do get to use it, I'll let you know what I think. Let's go. All right, so we gotta start off by taking all this tape off. I had a razor ready to cut it, but you don't even need a razor. And you know what? I lied. I do need a razor. All right, y'all ready to see this thing?
That's a slippery slope. I just started drinking that. I was drinking the vodka.
Let's get a closer look. So these are the clippers. We'll go ahead and take them out of here. There we go. So there they are right there. Man, they got a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, so here's the stand. There's a stand. Let's see what's in this other box. The charging cord for it. We got some guards. That little thing. What's this? Oh, this is for the blade, huh? Alright, so I believe this is, I guess if you get like a replacement blade, you put this on there. I believe, I'm not 100% sure. Here's the clipper.
What other barbers? I feel special, man. I take it back. I ain't gonna go 6 a.m. I'll tell you that right now. That's the only one.
She's nice. What you think about this clipper, Joe?
Man, that thing looks
it looks nice.
I know, it looks like it belongs on a chain.
Look at that blade though.
Excuse me. I'm stuck a bit. I'm stuck. Can you let me get out?
Yeah, that's the clipper.
Please.
It looks good, man. Alright, it comes with, you get these guards. Alright, so it comes with 4 of the Andis premium guards. I really don't use these guards. I'm lying, it's got 5 guards. But I really don't use these guards. The guards I normally rock with is the purple magnetics. This one looks like it might be a hitter though. Hey, the zero on this one, it looks just like the purple zero. It's like the same length. Yeah.
Man, I used them when I first came. I didn't have to use them.
Here, guards comes with 5 guards. We got the number 4, number 3, number 2, the 1, and then the 0. And then we also got this charging stand. It really ain't different from the other charging stand. Only difference is the plate on there is gold. It looks nice though. Y'all check that out. And then, you know, it comes with the normal oil. And if I remember correctly, this is a piece you put under the blade. This is the reason why a lot of masters get really loud. I may not be 100% correct on that, but I believe that's what that is. And then just the cord to charge it. That's basically it. So like I said, we're gonna put these things to charge. We're gonna give them a run and we're gonna see how they work.
another one?
All right, guys, check it out. It's 10:40. Your boy is tired. Been a long day for me, but anyways, let's go ahead and get back to these clippers. Check it out. So I know y'all seen them. Y'all seen me cut with them. I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all. They cut good. You know, they're quieter than my other masters. But I think that's just because they're brand new. You know, honestly, I just think they're really the same clipper as the old masters. Only difference is we get a different case with them. You know, the charging stand's a little different, and it comes with, you know, with guards that I'm probably not even gonna use because I like my purple magnetics. But other than that, I personally think they're the same exact thing as the old masters. Now, I'm not saying they're bad clippers. I'm not saying they're the greatest clippers. You know what I'm saying? It's to each his own, really. If you like the masters, I'm sure you'll like these. Or if you collect clippers, I'm sure you'll like these. But for the normal person who's just looking for some more clippers or some new clippers, if you already have the masters, I would say don't get them, you know what I'm saying? But if you like to collect clippers, go ahead and get them. Or if you need a new pair, go ahead and get them. But just for my use of them right now, I think they're the same thing as the old ones. Yeah, man, like I bought them because I wanted to have them. You know, I like the way they look, and you know, y'all know how it is, man. I'm a little extra with these clippers and these tools that I got. I like to use different tools throughout the day. So I bought them. I said, you know what, we're gonna give them a try. We're gonna see what they do. And personally, I do like them, but like I said, guys, I think that's just because they're brand new. I'm hoping and I'm praying to the barber gods that Andis did something to where they don't get as loud as the previous set of masters. But I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see basically if, you know, if they can withstand the test of time and the test of putting these to use all day and every day. And that's just really what it is, man. But that's basically it for this video, guys. It wasn't too long of a video. You know, I just really got these clippers because they're new. You know, the casing's a little different. They look different than the other ones. And I'm extra, you know what I'm saying? But I appreciate y'all for tuning in and watching this video. I hope y'all like this video. If y'all do like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. I will be doing an actual review on these clippers. I'm gonna put them to work for a while, you know what I'm saying? I'm probably gonna work with them for about 2 weeks, see what they do. I hope they don't get louder. But like I said, we're gonna have to wait and see what happens. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Until next time, let's go.